Today I'm going to teach you how to make travel video transition. Start Google Chrome and search Canva.com.
Click on Create option on upper left side. Click on Video Landscape option. Click on Upload File option and choose a picture, if place you want to travel. Click on Text option and select Add Heading option and write a name of place you want to go. Now download the image in PNG file. Delete old picture and text and drag and add downloaded PNG file. Now search a plane from Element option and adjust this plan on the name of place. Select a shape from Element option and fill it on the picture. Then select another shape from Element option and put it on one side of plane wing now. Copy it and paste it. Now put pasted shape on the other wing of plane. Now select all elements and press the group option. All the elements will join. Now move all elements and fill the picture with shape. Now right-click on the page, Layout, and press Duplicate Page option. Now select Add Heading and add a text. Travel on the second page. Layout and make it little big in size and change a font style. As I choose Fee Style by searching in Font Styles. Now add another text by selecting Add Heading on this second page layout and write TO on the page and also make it little big and add a font style of Fee. Now right-click on text and select Show Time, then adjust a time according to your need and add an animation on both text. Now copy first page layout and paste it on. Right side of second page layout and delete first page layout. Now add an animation between both page layouts and select Watch and Move Animate, and select 2.5 sec speed. Now move plane slowly from right to left. Now your travel transition video is ready to watch. Now download the video, and please like, comment, share this video for more. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.